Hi friends, today we will make this mini heart beautiful Rakhi. For that I am using 4 ply yarn and 3 hook. First I will make one magic ring like this. Next make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Next we will make 3 treble crochet. For that first we will take yarn 2 times on the hook, then insert into magic ring, then pull through the 2 loops, next pull through the 2 loops, next pull through the 2 loops. This is our first treble crochet. Next again take 2 times yarn over the hook, then insert into magic ring, then pull through the 2 loops, again pull through the 2 loops, last this is second treble crochet, this is third treble crochet. Repeat the same procedure. Here we have made 3 treble crochet. Next we will make 3 double crochet. For that take 1 time yarn over the hook, then insert into magic ring, then pull through the 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. Next make second double crochet, yarn over, insert into hook, then pull through the 2 loops, then pull through the 2 loops. This is second double crochet. Next make last double crochet, yarn over, insert into magic loop, then pull through the 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. This is our 3 double crochet. Next make chain 1. Next make 1 treble crochet. For that 2 times yarn over, then insert into magic ring, then pull through the 2 loops, then pull through the 2 loops. Here we have to make 3 times chain. Next we will make other part of the heart. Here we have made half part. Next we will make this part. For that repeat the same procedure. Chain 1. First make 3 double crochet. This is first double crochet. Opposite of the first half here we will make. This is second double crochet. This is third double crochet. Next we will make 3 times triple crochet. That is 3 triple crochet. This is first triple crochet. Here we will make 3 times triple crochet. First one over, this is second triple crochet. This is third triple crochet. Yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. Here we have made 3 triple crochet. To end this heart we will make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Then make a slip knot in magic ring. Insert into magic ring and pull through the single loop. Insert into magic ring and pull the yarn like this. Last make chain 1 to finish this heart and leave a little tail and cut the yarn like this. At back side, close the magic ring by adjusting the yarn like this. Tighten the magic ring, then make 1 or 2 knots, then hide the extra yarn with the help of needle or same crochet hook or a small crochet hook like this. Hide the yarn 1 or 2 times. Like this, then cut the extra yarn. Now our mini heart is ready. Now we will give the Rakhi touch to this heart. For that, take the same color or different color yarn according to your hand waist size. Take the yarn like this, then cut the 2 parts like this, then fold the yarn. In heart, here we have made 3 triple crochet. In third triple crochet, insert the hook and pull the yarn like this. In other side also repeat the same procedure like this. Next, we will decor this heart Rakhi, mini heart Rakhi, with the help of beads. Now I will attach white color beads to this Rakhi. For that, take a needle and with the help of needle attach the beads, round shape beads or half beads also you can add. Any color of beads you can add like this. Add other side also. Like this. Then in center also I will attach 1 moti or beads. For that I have taken needle help. With the help of needle attach the moti or beads like this. 2-3 times make knot. At back side make 1 or 2 knots and cut the thread. Finally our Rakhi is ready. You can make in multicolor also. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and thanks for the watching.